Hi everyone, this is Akash from Dio. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Dio Node speakers. If your speaker is ever behaving strangely, a factory reset could help. Doing this will revert your speaker back to its initial out-of-the-box settings. Now, if you've updated your firmware since receiving your speaker, a factory reset will not undo any of those changes. To factory reset your speaker, press and hold the plus and middle buttons on your Dio Node for about 2 seconds. The speaker's light will begin flashing white as it resets itself and boots up again. This may take several minutes. After the speaker reboots, it will begin flashing red. You've now successfully factory reset your Dio Node. You can now set it up again as a brand new speaker by following the setup instructions found in your user manual or by watching this video. Happy jamming!